I'm Aisari and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we are adding some important news. As per ISPR, Rawalpindi contingent of the Pakistan Air Force, comprising state-of-the-art JF-17 Thunder Block 3 fighter aircraft and the C-130 Hercules transport aircraft, has landed at the Royal Air Force Base Fairford, United Kingdom, to participate in the prestigious Royal International Air Tattoo 2025. PAF's participation in RIAT, one of the world's largest military air shows, underscores Pakistan Air Force's commitment to showcasing its professional excellence, operational capability and the indigenous strength of its aviation industry. Adding to the operational significance of this international deployment, Pakistan Air Force's JF-17 Thunder Block 3 fighters executed successful air-to-air refueling operations en route to United Kingdom with the support of a PAF IL-78 aerial refueling tanker. The intricate refueling operation demonstrated PAF's long-range operational capabilities and the proficiency of its air and ground crew in conducting extended operations beyond national borders. JF-17 Block 3 is an EASA radar and long-range BVR-equipped 4.5 generation multi-role fighter aircraft which is capable of undertaking wide variety of combat missions, bolstering air power application in the face of contemporary challenges, thereby strengthening national security. This is a palpable sense of enthusiasm across the United Kingdom following the recent Pakistan-India conflict, as aviation enthusiasts and defense observers were eagerly looking forward to the arrival of the Pakistan Air Force's JF-17 Thunder Block 3. The aircraft's combat-proven capabilities and operational excellence have garnered significant global attention, making its appearance at RIAT a highly anticipated highlight in the aerospace and defense community. In line with RIAT's annual tradition of themed artistic displays, PAF C-130 Hercules has been adorned with an exclusive livery inspired by this year's theme, Eyes in the Skies. The captivating design symbolizes vigilance, situational awareness, and the technological edge maintained by modern air forces in ensuring global security. The striking artwork is expected to be a center of attraction, reflecting Pakistan Air Force's creativity and operational heritage. The participation of PAF's advanced fighter aircraft and artistically painted C-130 Hercules in RIAT 2025 is aimed at fostering mutual understanding, sharing aviation experiences, and enhancing PAF's image as a modern, technologically advanced air force contributing to global peace and security. For more updates, connect with Saiban News HD.